Introducing the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council's Connected program, a networking dinner linking female students from grades 10 through 12 with female mentors from a variety of career backgrounds. Through organized activities and table discussions, students hear stories, life lessons, and goals that the mentors have experienced along the journey their career path has taken them. The SIEC believes that young women need access to adult role models who are willing to share their stories and career pathways, ultimately promoting a culture of support and empowerment among young women as they navigate their preferred future. Connected is a must-attend event for all females in your school as they make plans for their future career journey. Visit saskatooniec.ca for more information.
Connected video sponsored by Trusted Marketing Services.